Hi friends, this is Shinvas here and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Cars Info. Finally, India's most reputed automobile brand, Toyota, coming with its urban SUV named as Urban Cruiser, and it will be competing under a compact SUV segment where the products like Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV300, Ford EcoSports, Hyundai Venue and Kia Sonet. Of late this segment has been ruling the Indian market, and in this video I will be talking about the key features of Urban Cruiser. Urban Cruiser available in three variants: mid, high and premium. Coming to the vehicle dimension, I will be sharing on the screen so that you will have a better look of it. Coming to the engine specification, it comes with 1.5 litre BS6 compliant naturally aspirated petrol engine. It gives a power around 105 PS at the rate 6000 RPM, torque around 138 Nm at the rate 4400 RPM. As per the CMVR certification, the fuel efficiency claim is for manual transmission it is 17.03 km per litre. For automatic it is 18.76 kmpl per litre or kilometer per litre. Friends, remember here the dual battery setup is available only in automatic transmission. Coming to the standard warranty, it is 3 years and 1 lakh km compared to its siblings. If you want to extend, you can extend up to 5 years and 2,20,000 km. Toyota service has always been its strength, which has helped in creating a brand image in the Indian market. Currently, Toyota has 303 service touchpoints which is available in India with a facility of EM60, EM90 and EM120. Along with that, it also provided 3 years free roadside assistance facility given to its customers. To ease the cost of maintenance, Toyota is providing a package called Toyota Smiles. Because of these points, Urban Cruiser is quite competitive in its segment. Friends, to have a better understanding of Urban Cruiser, I will divide the vehicle into 4 segments: exterior, interior, comfort and safety. Let's start with the exterior features of Urban Cruiser. I'll be explaining all the features one by one. First thing you will be noticing is its front grille. Urban Cruiser comes with 2 slated wedge cut front dynamic grille with chrome and grey finish. It gives Urban Cruiser more stylish and elegant look, and it reminds me of a mini Fortuner. To have a better visibility in the night, Urban Cruiser comes with dual chamber LED projector headlamps with integrated LED DRL. It gives Urban Cruiser more stylish and elegant look. To counter foggy condition, it comes with front fog lamp. As it's a compact SUV, to give this car a more SUV look, it comes with front and rear silver skid plate. When you see the car from this side, the most prominent thing you will be noticing is its 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel. It is very aspirational and also stylish. Along with that, it has a roof rail to give a car more SUV look. When you see the car from the rear, it comes with a rear split LED combi light along with LED high mounted stop lamp. These are the key exterior features which is available in Urban Cruiser. Once you get inside the Urban Cruiser, the first thing you will be noticing is its all dark brown interiors. The quality of the material is good and also premium. Coming to the entertainment, it comes with 7-inch Smart Playcast infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. For the comfortable driving position, it comes with a central sliding armrest. Once you see the steering wheel, it comes with leather wraparound with mounted controls of audio, Bluetooth, cruise control, MID and voice command. These are the key interior features which is available in Urban Cruiser. Getting in and out of Urban Cruiser is quite comfortable as it comes with smart key entry with push start button. Driving in a rainy season is also comfortable as it comes with the auto rain sensing wiper. To keep you relaxed and comfortable in all Indian type of climate, it comes with the auto AC as a standard feature. Covering a long journeys with fatigue free, it comes with a cruise control function. And Urban Cruiser comes with a standard boot space of 328 liters. If you want to increase the boot space, it comes with a provision of 60/40 rear split seat. Based on your requirement, you can do a seat management. To have a comfortable driving position, it comes with a manual driver seat adjustment with tilt steering. And to keep your beverages cool, it comes with an upper cool glove box. These are the comfortable features you will be getting in Urban Cruiser. Coming to the safety packages of Urban Cruiser, certain features are as a standard feature like dual airbag, ABS with EBD, tech body, pedal release, rear defogger, driver side anti-pinch window, high speed warning. Once the vehicle reaches 80 km per hour, you will get 2 beeps for every minute. Once the vehicle reaches 120 km per hour, the beep sound will be continuous. Then you will have sensing door lock. Once the vehicle reaches 15 km per hour, doors will get auto lock. Apart from that, friends, remember there are certain warnings will be shared to the drivers like low fuel, door ajar, key left, headlamp on and seat belt reminder. Also, one point to be noted here, hill hold control function will be only available in the automatic version. Certain features you will be getting in a top end spec, that is reverse parking camera, auto headlamp on off, auto IRVM. These are the safety package you will be getting in an Urban Cruiser. Friends, I would like to share the testimonial of one of the Toyota's elite customer. Kindly look into that.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Venu. I am using ETO's vehicle since from 4 years. I was so much happy with the product which I have taken it. Thanks to the Toyota, their QDR about the car. And now I heard that the new car launch is there from the team. And the Toyota team, let's have the test drive. I am actually thinking about it to exchange about the car. And I know how the Toyota will look into the product. So hope this product will meet my all expectations on the car. So let's hope that the Toyota to give a good vehicle to me. So I hope this car will give us a good fruits to my expectations. Thank you so much and a happy Toyota and all the best to the team of Toyota team.
Thank you friends for watching this video. Friends, we will meet you soon with the proper walk around of the Urban Cruiser. Till then, please subscribe YouTube channel, share it to your friend and encourage us. Thank you, be safe.